Just hello guys. Today we are playing mobile from my Samsung. Sorry for the audio, I think so, because it's pretty windy. So let's play now. Let's play. By the way, this is my first video of recording playing. So let's try. We're playing online or amateur 3, which is I lose every every, every well when I played every played of every play of FIFA. I always lose. I always lost or lose. Sorry about the audio, guys. It's pretty windy here in my country. It's pretty cold, but when you wake up, excuse me, I'm pretty sick today. Sorry for from the audio because it's pretty windy and I'm sick. Sorry, sorry guys. I apologize that my audio is not wasn't enough, right or beautiful. So let's play. Let's play. Comment down below if there's problem, or am I going to the wrong side or the right side? Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video because this is my first gaming play. Oh no, oh no, oh no, shoot. Ouch. That was a harsh. Wait, what? His score is 3. He or she scores 3 or 4. It's 4. Oh shit. Come on, get the ball, Zardes. Get the ball. Okay. I lose again. By the way, I don't know Russian. This is Russian. Russian people, you are losing internet. Oh, I'm losing. Sorry for the audio from windy problem. Okay, we have lost 1,100 fans. Sorry for the windy audio. I think so. Let's play again. Excuse me. I'm pretty sick today. So let's watch. I mean, let's play. You know, play. Special thanks to Mobizet for Android or Samsung. By the way, for the fan of Logan Paul, dear Logan Paul, dear Logan Paul, please make another vlog. I watched him, but the problem from Japan that the suicide man. Let's pass here. The suicide man. Come on, get the ball. Pass it to Gomez. Dembele again. Come on, Dembele. Hey, there's always passing. That was Smith. I don't know soccer. I just played. Come on, pass it to Gomez and shoot the ball. Internet problem. Get the ball. I'm losing again. Okay, let's try auto. No. Say no. To Zardes, win! Come on. To Howard, our enemy. Again. I always lose. I always lose. Or lost. I don't know, but my sign language is lost. But I think you guys, I think it's lost. But still the same, but different sign language. Okay, this is our last one. I mean, we will play another one for the last. Wish me luck if I win or not. Okay, something just have a it's the problem. It's hanging or I don't know. Error occurred. I have internet. Excuse me. So today, sorry for from the audio that it's pretty windy. It's pretty windy this night. And in my country, it's night. Or maybe others, morning, noon, night. Others, morning, lunchtime, or noon. So it is. Pretty sick. Okay, there's an error occurred, guys. We will cut this video now. I'm sorry, but it's a little bit short. There's a problem in my mobile FIFA. In the next video, I will play the Madden. By the way, I will open another channel. Please comment down below for the name. A gaming channel from my PlayStation 4. Excuse me. Because I have 4 games, I want to record it. Which one will you choose for the first video of my next gaming channel? I have Call of Duty World War II. Next, I have NBA 2K18. Next, I have Grand Theft Auto 5 or Mafia 3. So, comment down below. What is my next video when I created a new channel? But this channel today, I will upload another again tomorrow and Madden game like this, but it's not FIFA, it's Madden. So I'm saying goodbye. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel today. So thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. You're welcome in my channel. So I'm sorry from the audio windy, but we are over and out.